In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify 5 minutes. By the end, your Shopify products will be ready to sync with Instagram so customers can tap and buy right from your post and reels. Before we begin, make sure you're using a business or creator account on Instagram that is linked to a Facebook page and that your store has clear shipping and return policies. Those details help your account pass review smoothly. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, click Apps. On the Apps page, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Facebook. You're looking for the official Facebook and Instagram sales channel by Meta. This is the all-in-one connector that syncs your products, enables Instagram shopping, and keeps your catalog up to date automatically. Open that listing and click Install. Approve the permissions so the app can access your products and manage the sales channel. When the install finishes, click Open to launch the Facebook and Instagram channel inside your Shopify admin. Click Get Started. You'll see a simple onboarding checklist. This is where you connect your Meta account and choose what you want to set up, like product syncing and shopping features. Follow the prompts to connect your accounts, sign into Facebook when asked, then select the correct Facebook page and business manager. If you have multiple assets, take a moment to pick the ones tied to your brand. Connect your Instagram account here as well so Meta knows which profile will be tagging products. Next, confirm your product catalog. Shopify will create or link a catalog so your items sync automatically. It's a good idea to double check product titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and availability in Shopify first, because that data flows straight to Instagram. If you sell variants, make sure they're set up correctly. High quality images and compliant product info reduce the chance of rejection during review. When everything looks good, click Submit for review. Meta will evaluate your shop against their commerce policies. Reviews can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. You can monitor the status in the Facebook and Instagram channel within Shopify. If something is flagged, you'll see guidance on what to fix. Often it's missing policies, inaccurate product data, or a mismatch between your domain and business assets. Once approved, your products will be live for Instagram shopping. From there, start tagging items in posts, reels, and stories to drive traffic back to your Shopify store. Keep your catalog clean, inventory accurate, and images consistent, and you'll be set for a smooth shopping experience.